Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda BT50 DX single cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5472. The shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 9th month 2011. It has a WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left manual door mirror, left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, triple end tray with all bolts and brackets and rear ladder rack, factory tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, driver's side door, 3 small dents, right manual door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, manual window regulator. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. The bench seat does require cleaning. Bench seat console, 5-speed gear shifter, heating controls, less knobs, interior mirror, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.